Every child deserves to grow up with loving and supporting parents. Unfortunately, in some cases, this cannot be. Whether their biological parents die, suffer from a disabling disease, or abandon them, 1 in 10 households in the U.S. are no longer headed by a child's biological parents. If the remaining family does not have legal custody, children can end up in foster care. In the state of Illinois, there are 16,000 children in foster care, a service that costs $40,000 a year for just one child. Though they're being cared for, children pay an emotional price when they are separated from their families. Sadly, 80% of the U.S. prison population is made of children who are in substitute care. Many people would like to provide permanency for the young relative they find themselves caring for, but have a difficult time navigating and understanding the complex legal system.
Minnie was 5 days old. They told me, today is your day. Today you have to choose whether you're going to take Minnie in or not. And I was like, well, can you give me a few days? I'm working and I just don't have it in my mind right now to take on responsibility. My kids are grown. So she said, well, no, I'm going to tell you just like this. I have to know today, before I leave, you have to sign these papers and you go and pick up Minnie tomorrow at the hospital if you're going to take her. And that's just what I did.
I needed help from the Center for Law and Social Work because I was getting ready to adopt Danisha. I needed someone that was honest, that would tell it like it is, and it was quick, which was what we really appreciated because for the longest, Danisha wanted me to be a mom.
Being a parent of a child with special needs, sometimes you aren't sure where to turn. Our daughter, she's 18 years old. She is developmentally delayed. We want to be able to protect her as much as we can, as any parent would, of course.
That someone doesn't come along and ask her to sign a lease, for $2,000, she would not understand the concept of those leases.
Without this guardianship, our legal status really doesn't exist.
Right now, I'm in the process of adopting Marquila. It's the Center for Law and Social Work. They helped to keep my family together. The workers were so generous, so kind. They checked on us. They offered any form of counseling that we may have needed. They were there. They were there.
Speaking from my age, it's important for me to have a backup plan because if something happened to me, I won't have to worry about where my baby's going or who got him, because you never know what's going to happen.
I wasn't in the right state of mind. After my daughter passed, they helped me explaining everything to me. One of the ways that they helped me was getting legal guardianship. Now, another thing, I think it was important to me because my daughter wouldn't want him to go anywhere else, I wouldn't feel right letting someone else take care of him. So my daughter would be very proud of me now, and him.
Since 2003, the Center for Law and Social Work has helped more than 600 families resolve legal custody issues, including backup planning, guardianship, adoption, and adult guardianship in Cook County. Using social workers and lawyers, the center secures solid legal plans and makes navigating the complex social work and legal system seamless.
The Center for Law and Social Work can help families like mine.
And mine.
And ours.